Hello friends and welcome to this video of Marg ERP. So as you can get the benefit by implementing various types of discounts in Marg ERP software like item discount, volume discount, discount on bill, etc. And we will see in this tutorial that how you can enable item-wise discount on the items while creating the sale bill and purchase bill. For which you will go to Master's menu, then to Marg Setups and then go to Control Room. And click on the search in all field and type item discount in search in field. Then click on the accept tab. So this item discount window will open along with few fields. In which if you want to enable item discount option at the time of generating only purchase bill, then you will set P from the drop down to this item discount, Y both, P purchase and S sale. And if you want to enable item discount at the time of generating only sale bill, then in that case you will set S from the drop down. Similarly, if you want to enable the item discount option at the time of generating both type of bills, that is sale and purchase, then in that case you will set Y, means both to this field. For now, we want that whenever we create the purchase bill, then we will be able to applicable the percentage wise discount on the items on the purchase entry window. So that's why we set P from the drop down to this item discount, Y both, P purchase and S sale field. Then press escape key twice and click on yes to this save changes window. Then come to the home page of the software. Now we will come to the purchase entry window. Then you can see here discount percentage option is enabled. You can applicable percentage wise discount on the items accordingly. And if you will go to the sale entry, then you will see that discount percentage option is disabled here till now as well. Because in the control room, we have enabled this discount percentage option for only purchase entry. Similarly, if you want to enable this discount field at the time of creating sale bill, then you will set this on S. And after saving the changes, you will go to sale bill window. So you can see discount percentage option is enabled. Now you can applicable the percentage wise discount on the items according to you. In this way, you can enable this discount percentage on only single sale or on purchase window. But if you want to enable the item discount option on the both sale and purchase billing window, so you will set Y to this item discount, Y both, P purchase and S sale field. And press escape key twice. And do yes to the save changes window. Then come to the software home screen. Now you can go to sale entry and purchase entry both windows. That discount percentage option is enabled. In this way you can enable item discount. Now if you want to disable it, then you will simply search item discount from control room, then go to same item discount window and set N, means no to this item discount field, and save the changes from escape key. In this way, this discount percentage option will be disabled from the billing window. So friends, by following the process shown in the video, you can enable or disable the item discount according to you at the time of creating sale and purchase bill. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Marg Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos.